like me. You're just an itty too bitty, don't reach too high. But it isn't a pity, and I'll tell you why. Soon you'll reach the tallest shelf, just like I do now by myself. You'll see, when you're big like me. And won't that be a lovely day to see? That day when you're all big and tall like me. When no one will tell you what to do, 'cause you'll be the only boss of you. So one day you'll be grown up, yes sirree. Until then you must wait very patiently. When you'll run and jump and play, a grown-up girl in every way. Like me, you'll be just like me. When you're big like me.